Hello friends, to learning the machine learning series. Yes, last video I have uploaded two concept, that is regression and classification. So this video we want to go with the practical implementation in the simplest way. But before that I just want to clear simple Python concept, not in too much deep, but what we will use inside the machine learning with the help of Python. So I'll go with the small introduction of the Python, and then whatever we are using like loops and control statements and other things, so that you can understand at least what I'm writing with the help of the AI libraries, right? So today we'll start, and I think 3 to 4 video I will complete the necessary things in the Python. Then we will switch to the practical implementation of the models and and their implementation. Okay. So let's see. This is I'm writing in some in one of the interpreter here. So let's see. So this is the style of writing the main function in Python. If underscore name equals to main, then colon and the function name. So suppose in any language like C++, C or other structured language, there is a main function. Here also we can write like this. This is show the Python file. This main.py is starting with this, and whenever this main function is detected, it is calling that function only first. So how we can write the main function? Same in the Python, we can use the def keyword, def main, and then main function small this rounded bracket, and this one. This is the complete main function. And because there is no structured curly braces starting and ending, so we can just give the one tab. That means it comes under that intent. So here if I'm giving the one tab, that means it is come under this function, main function. So this def is the keyword, and if you want to return something, definitely it will return, but we have to write only def. That is the efficient word. Okay, so suppose this main function, I'm just writing here, I am in main function here. So print statement also you can write like this, or f, then you can write in this way also. It is very common for here. I am in main function, blah blah blah, like that. If you run this code by clicking here, so this main function will call with the help of this interface mainly. The main function, there is no argument, right? And we are giving something with the help of this print statement. Once we run it, if you can see here, I am in main function. Whatever we are writing here, this is the main function. This is the interface. So how we can define function in Python? So with the help of def keyword, and then we can write like this. Okay, in while we are writing the Python code for AI or TensorFlow or any other libraries, how we can import that? So there is in C++ or Java or other language, we just import in the header file or something. Here we will use the import statement like this, import. So suppose we want to use some NumPy related stuff or SciPy or any AI related tool packages. So how we can write import NumPy as NP. So this is kind of structure we are using to import the package before this. Sorry, NP, and a number of package you can do this, and the function definition is like that. If you want to declare one function that is returning some values, okay, so you can just do like this, def some, suppose sum of two values. This is the name of the function, and you are taking two values here. So how you can take the value, because this is the Python, we don't require to give the data type here. Suppose first comma second value, this is the value, and you just want to add and return the value. Okay, so just return first plus second. You can just write down here second, and there is no requirement for comma here. So while you're calling this function, sum of two numbers, After main you can call it here, or inside a main also you can call it here. How you will call? So it will call like sum, sorry, sum of two numbers. You have to pass two numbers like 1 and 3, and then that's it. While we are calling, there's no requirement for colon here, but it will not print because we did not give any print statement here. So it will return if you can write. See, there's nothing print. We have to print here. Put print, or you can store somewhere in like value in some variable, and you can print it here like print f sum of two numbers equals to, and here in the Python we can put like this and the variable name. Okay, so if we can put it here, so see, this is the print statement, and it's very simple. In the double quotes you can put f and your string, and in curly braces you can write down the number. So that's the one of the techniques we can use for printing in the Python. So same way, whatever required for developing in the artificial intelligence, I will explain those things only in the fast forward way, so that minimum we can spend the time on the understanding the programming language of Python, and then you can do your own practice. I will focus on the concept of machine learning and deep learning in future also, so that you can understand completely. Okay, so here I have explained how to define the function, how we can return the value, how we can pass the value. If you want to put some if statement or something, so you can put your statement here in the Python like this. If first, some condition first is greater than second, colon, print first or return first, whatever you want to put the logic, return first, and here else return second. So you can put like this. It will be depends on you. Okay. So instead of returning this, let's remove this. Now it is not giving this sum. First two number we are passing. We just want to check the statement how it is writing. So if else we can put it here, or we can use only if and el. That will also work here. Let's do the printing. How it will print. See, it's not sum. We can put. You can change the greater number like that. You can see the output greater number is 3. How? We are passing 1 and 3, so it is calculating and it is calculating. So in this video we just see few things, and in the other video we will see the other things. uh, uh, just subscribe this channel so that we can just make it forward to cover the complete machine learning tutorial in a very simplest way, and I'll finish within a very short period of time. So thanks for this video. Thank you. Bye.